In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog using Weebly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to log into your Weebly account. Once you've done that, you'll see the site editor interface in front of you. At the top, you'll notice several tabs. Go ahead and click on the Pages tab. This is where you can manage all the pages on your site, including your blog. Now, it's time to add a new page for your blog. In the Pages section, look for the plus sign, which is a little icon at the top of the page. Click on that and you'll see a variety of options. From here, select Blog Page. After you do this, it's important to give your blog a name. You might want to keep it simple, so something like blog would work perfectly. Once you've entered the name, just click outside the box and that will save your changes. Nice and easy. Next, it's time to start writing. On the left side of the site editor, you'll see your new blog page listed. Go ahead and click on it to enter the blog editor. On the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, you'll see a button that says New Post. Click that to start creating your first blog post. Now you're in the New Post editor. The first thing you need to do is enter a title for your post in the title box. This is the headline that will attract readers, so make sure it's catchy. After you've got your title down, take a look at the left-hand menu. This is where the fun starts. You can drag and drop various elements into your post area. Think text boxes for your paragraphs, images to add visuals, and so on. Feel free to mix and match to build your content seamlessly. But wait, there's a bit more to consider before we're ready to hit publish. Underneath the title box, you'll find options that allow you to configure your post further. For instance, you can add categories to help organize your content, decide whether you want to enable or disable comments, and even set a schedule for when you want your post to go live. This scheduling feature can be especially useful if you have a content calendar or want to strategize your posts. Now comes the moment of truth, publishing your work. Once you're happy with your post, click on the Post button to publish that specific entry. But we're not done just yet. You still need to make sure everything is live on your website. Look to the top right corner of the editor and click the main Publish button. Once you do that, your blog and its beautiful first post will officially be live for the world to see. And that's it. You've successfully created a blog using Weebly. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires you to start sharing your thoughts and stories. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different layouts and elements. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing for more tips